Hey guys, Katie here with another AFI DIY. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make fabric softener crystals. These crystals not only deodorize and freshen up your clothes, they're also customizable to your favorite fragrance. This product only consists of 3 ingredients, so it's a quick and easy addition to your product line. Let's get started. As far as equipment goes, all you need is a bowl to mix with, a container for your crystals, and a mixing spoon. To make these crystals, you would need 19.8% or 1/4 cup of baking soda, 80% or 1 cup of iodized salt, and 0.2% or 10 drops of fragrance. Here at AFI, we have fragrance for everything. Today, I'll be using fabric softener. It smells so refreshing. We're gonna start off by adding 80% or 1 cup of the salt and place it into a bowl. Next, you're gonna wanna add in your 1/4 cup of baking soda, which is gonna be 19.8% of your recipe. Lastly, add 0.2% or 10 drops of fragrance and mix it so it's evenly coated. If you see any clumps, just break them up while you're stirring. We transferred our mixture into a measuring cup for an easier pour. Wow, I can really smell the difference. Okay, great, now your product is finished. When using this, add 2 tablespoons to your rinse cycle and it'll leave your clothes smelling amazing. We made this for under $1 and you can wholesale it for $2 to $3 and retail it for $5 to $6. Thanks for watching another AFI DIY. Make sure you hit subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up with what we're doing. I'm Katie, I'm signing off. Bye!